Hello, my name is Kristen. Welcome to this session that discusses our outbound notification integration, which is available in Release 22A in Oracle Utilities Digital Self-Service Transactions. In this session, we will talk about these new features and how they can impact your business. I will then give an overview of the integration, followed by more detail to explain how you would use the features and the benefits they provide to your business. Then we'll walk through a demonstration. Finally, we'll explain what you need to consider when implementing these features in your business and provide you with some additional resources. Imagine one of your customers managing their preferences within your web portal. They enroll in a bill due notification and set a preference to be notified 3 days before their bill is due. They want to get a reminder through email or SMS to remember to pay their bill. They may decide at a later point in time to enroll in a late payment reminder or want to manage their preferences for other communications they receive from you. In previous releases of Customer to Meter C2M and Digital Self-Service Transactions, DSST by extension, you could only initiate message-based notifications using application-owned business objects. While DSST enabled customers to manage their preferences and have them maintained in sync with C2M, the solution needed to deliver the messages required you to set up a mail server and was costly to configure, extend, and maintain. While the remainder of the presentation will reference C2M, this functionality is also available with Customer Care and Billing, CCB, and the corresponding enterprise SaaS offerings. This new solution for outbound notifications includes integrations across the UGBU and CX product suite. Your customer portal is where your customers can enroll in alerts and manage their preferences. A middleware layer or notification hub in blue manages multiple flows, including customer data synchronization. The CSR agents in yellow have the same information regarding the customer's preferences, plus insight into what communications have been sent to the customer and the delivery status, such as delivered, delayed, or failed. And Responses in purple is a complete marketing automation platform with clicks not code, campaign designing, transactional versus promotional messages, interactive dashboards, and multivariate testing capabilities. This overall solution for digital self-service transactions includes 5 key features across existing Oracle products. Within C2M, we have template-based outbound notifications, template-based notification algorithms, and digital collection events. In Oracle Integration Cloud, we've introduced a notification hub. And with Oracle Responses, we're offering predefined campaign assets for common DSST use cases. As I mentioned before, in previous releases of C2M, you could only initiate message-based notifications using application-owned business objects. The template-based notifications enable you to include customer-specific information in the outbound notification and provide a more personalized interaction. There are 2 main notification types: template-based subscription notifications. To receive template-based subscription notifications, customers must sign up or subscribe. For example, a bill due reminder sent to customers several days before their bill is due. Template-based push notifications are notifications that customers do not need to sign up to receive. For example, notifications sent to a guest when they're invited to join an account, or a notification when their account enters collections. Push notifications support a parent-child relationship for logical grouping. A template-based individual push notification is a child of a template-based parent push notification. 4 algorithms are provided to retrieve information to include in the outbound template-based notification. They retrieve common raw data that is passed to Responses. The algorithms may also be cloned and modified to meet your specific requirements if needed. The base algorithms are guest notification template data to retrieve guest-related details, such as guest name, guest email, etc. Bill information template data retrieves bill-related details, such as bill ID, due date, amount due, etc. Payment information template data retrieves payment-related details, such as payment amount. And collection notification template data retrieves collections-related details, such as the amount due and arrears date. The digital collection event can be added to your collections process template to send a notification to primary account contacts when the account enters collections. The notification hub accepts the data from C2M at the time of a triggering event, such as a service task. Notification Hub places the message into a high or low priority queue depending on the criticality of the message. For example, you could ensure collections notifications are sent before guest acceptance notifications. The Hub then triggers an API call to Oracle Responses to merge the raw data with the campaign and deliver the message to the customer. The solution includes predefined campaign assets for common use cases to accelerate and simplify responses setup. Our accelerator includes HTML and plain text templates for emails and SMS messages. Notification types accelerated include bill due, late payment, guest invitation, guest accepted, and collections entered. Let's look at the outbound notification integration for bill due notification. In this video, we'll see how a CSR can subscribe customer Bryce Rush to the bill due notification within C2M. Bryce already has an email and SMS contact method stored, so we'll subscribe both to this notification type. Those familiar with DSST can imagine how a customer would self-serve their own preferences from the web portal. Next, we trigger a bill due notification for the account from the service task, which will send to all of the active preferences associated with the account across email and SMS channels. The personalization data, including account number, amount due date, etc., are passed from C2M to the notification hub and then picked up and merged into the respective campaign and responses in near real time. Notification Hub shows the flow as successful, and our demo customer receives the SMS notification and email. This is just one quick example of the integration at work. In this implementation advice section, we will go through what you need to consider before enabling these features in your business and what you need to know to set them up. To use these features, you must complete these implementation tasks. Within C2M, you'll add a message sender, add external system, add notification types, configure preferences, and update self-service master configuration. Notification Hub configuration includes importing an Oracle Integration Cloud package from the Oracle Cloud Marketplace, configuring connections, configuring lookups and error handling, and configuring OCI streaming or priority queues. Within Responses, you'll create folders, import campaign assets, and test and activate your campaigns. Additional information about how to configure these features, see the Oracle Utilities Digital Self-Service Transactions Library on Oracle Help Center, which is available at docs.oracle.com. Complete documentation for the supporting products is available on Oracle Utilities Customer to Meter, Oracle Utilities Customer Care and Billing, Oracle Utilities Customer Cloud Service, Oracle Utilities Customer Care and Billing Cloud Service, Oracle Integration Cloud, and Oracle Responses. This concludes the presentation. Thank you for watching.